Budget phones in 2025 are a crowded battlefield, and Samsung is back with the Galaxy A17 5G, a phone that promises a large Super AMOLED display, a 50-megapixel camera with optical image stabilization, expandable storage, circle to search, and 6 full years of guaranteed software updates, all at an entry-level price that barely anyone else in the United States can match. It ships in a slim 7.5mm design with Gorilla Glass Victus on the front and Google Circle to search baked right in. But reviewers at GSM Arena, Tech Advisor, and Phone Arena have all flagged the same concern in different ways. The Exynos 1330 chipset powering this phone is 3 generations old, and the US model ships with only 4 gigabytes of RAM. The CineTech Data-Driven AI Analytics system has run the full numbers on this one. Here is exactly what you get and exactly where this phone draws the line. Our first chart is what it can handle, mapping the Galaxy A17 5G across 4 core capability dimensions. Everyday communication scores 7.6 because browsing, messaging, social media, and streaming all run acceptably on One UI 7 even with the Exynos 1330, as long as you are not asking too much of it at once. Multitasking and transitions earns 5.2, landing in the amber zone, because the 4GB RAM configuration common in the US causes frequent pauses and stutters when switching between apps or loading anything moderately demanding. Gaming performance scores 4.8, a red tier result reflecting the reality that titles like Genshin Impact run poorly, and even lighter 3-dimensional games require reduced settings for a smooth experience. Camera processing scores 6.8, as optical image stabilization on the 50-megapixel main sensor meaningfully improves over the A16 in low light, though processing speed can lag on heavier computational tasks. Chart 2 covers daily performance across 4 real-world dimensions. Display quality scores 8.7, one of the strongest results in this phone's entire analysis, because the 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel at 90Hz, 1080 by 2340 resolution, and up to 800 nits of brightness delivers a viewing experience that punches well above this price class. Battery endurance earns 7.9, with a 5000 milliamp-hour cell comfortably delivering a full day of mixed use and stretching to nearly 2 days under lighter conditions in reviewer testing. Camera main lens scores 7.2, with a 50-megapixel OIS sensor delivering solid results in good lighting and genuinely improved night shots compared to its predecessor, though the ultrawide and macro lenses contribute very little and are best treated as secondary options. Charging speed scores 5.9, as 25-watt wired charging was a reasonable speed 2 years ago, but now trails competing budget phones offering 45-watt or higher at similar or lower prices. Chart 3 is user experience, and it evaluates the A17 5G on the dimensions that shape how this phone feels over months of ownership. Software longevity earns a 9.0, an outstanding score for a budget device, because 6 years of guaranteed major Android OS upgrades and security patches through 2031 is a commitment that surpasses nearly every competitor at this price tier and makes this one of the most future-proof budget phones available today. One UI 7 usability scores 7.8, reflecting Samsung's clean, feature-rich Android skin that most users find intuitive and well-organized, with useful extras like Circle to Search, Quick Share, and Samsung Dex Link all accessible without extra cost. Build quality scores 7.1, as Gorilla Glass Victus on the front, a glass fiber back, IP54 splash resistance, and a flat modern design with Key Island 2.0 buttons all exceed what buyers typically expect at this price. RAM and performance headroom scores 4.4, the lowest mark in this chart, because 4 gigabytes of RAM is a genuine bottleneck that creates visible friction in daily use and will age poorly as apps and OS updates grow more demanding over the 6-year support window. Chart 4 is who it's for, scoring how well the Galaxy A17 5G serves 4 distinct buyer profiles. First-time smartphone buyers and seniors earn an 8.3 because One UI 7 is approachable. The large display is easy to read, performance is adequate for simple tasks, And a 6-year support window means family members or older users will not need to replace this phone anytime soon. Samsung ecosystem users score 8.1 as Galaxy to Galaxy Quick Share. Samsung Health, SmartThings compatibility, and One UI consistency make the A17 a natural entry point for households already invested in Samsung devices. Light daily users who prioritize battery and screen score 7.5 because the AMOLED display and day-plus battery life together deliver a genuinely pleasant daily experience for anyone whose main activities are calling, texting, social media, and streaming. Power users and gamers score 3.9, a red tier result that reflects the honest reality. This phone was not designed for demanding workloads, and the 4GB RAM and Exynos 1330 combination will frustrate anyone expecting smooth multitasking or high-performance gaming. Our final chart is it worth it? And it delivers the CineTech verdict on 4 value pillars before the overall score. Long-term software value earns 8.6 because no other phone in this price bracket guarantees 6 years of OS and security updates. And that single fact alone makes the Galaxy A17 5G one of the most defensible budget buys in the United States market today. Display-to-dollar ratio scores 8.2, as a large 90Hz Super AMOLED with Gorilla Glass Victus at an entry-level price is genuinely exceptional and would stand out on a phone costing considerably more. Camera value scores 6.7, reflecting a main lens that earns its place thanks to OIS and improved low-light results, while the ultra-wide and macro cameras add little beyond filling a spec sheet line. Chip and RAM value scores 4.1, the honest anchor of this chart because shipping a 3-generation-old chipset paired with only 4GB of RAM in a phone sold in 2025 at a price point where competitors are offering faster silicon is the one decision that prevents this from being a straightforward recommendation. The CineTech overall score for the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G is 6.9 out of 10, 3.4 stars. A durable, long-supported budget phone with a beautiful screen let down by a processor and RAM configuration that belongs to a different era.